Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my Band Baja Budget series. In today's video, we're gonna do some DIY wedding decoration using a hula hoop. Guys, this decoration is really easy to make and it looks beautiful. You can make it as a stage backdrop or even as a welcome board for your wedding. These days, we all are having lockdown weddings. We are having weddings at our home, and I think this decoration is going to be perfect because you can do it all by yourself and it will look amazing. But before we get started, please do subscribe to my channel. Okay, so firstly you need a hula hoop. You can get any size. I bought the biggest one, which is 80 centimeters. Now you also need plastic flowers. So I have a creeper plastic flower here, which I'm gonna wrap around the hula hoop on one of the portions. Guys, I'm gonna give the links in the description of all the materials that I'm gonna use so that you can go and buy from Amazon if you want. I've also painted the hula hoop using acrylic colors, as you can see, so it looks neat. I'm also going to hang these lanterns. I bought these lanterns from Amazon. I'll put the links in the description in case you guys want to go and check it out. So guys, I post DIY decoration videos every week, every Wednesday. In case you don't want to miss out on any of my content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel right now. And okay, oops. Okay guys, we are done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe to my channel guys. Share this video with someone who's getting married soon. I'm sure it's gonna be useful for them. Also give me suggestions in the comment section below on what kind of videos you want me to make next week. So with this hula hoop decoration, you can also make something like this. So guys, if you're trying out any of these ideas for your functions, for your celebrations, I would love to see your photos and feature you in one of my videos. Today we have a post from Ashwini and Soumya who did this beautiful mehendi decoration at home. If you want to know how to do this, you can check out this video of mine. So see you next week guys with another wedding video. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye. Love you. Lots of love.